Hey guys, B43 here, back with another video. Today I'll be reacting to Kai's Replacement Remastered. So this is actually a stop motion video that Danny made. It was a remake of one of his old videos back on his old channel. And just in case you guys don't know, I'm in the video, boys. So yeah, without further ado, let's react in 3, 2, 1, go. That's an interesting looking fellow over there. I wonder who that is. Damn. No matter what kind of video, I'm always getting disrespected in this place. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that's basically what happened.
This sucks. Now our missions will be harder without you. Indeed.
Oh, actually, something I didn't say. I voiced Lloyd, Zane, and Jay.
Need a substitutions, for his absence will have a negative impact on our success as a team.
Maybe we can start an audition to find a replacement for Kai till he gets better.
How profound of you, Jay. We could put up posters for our upcoming event.
No. Alright, this part, this was like a really good part, and I loved this scene.
Hello there.
Next.
I may be Win Kenobi, and I am here to teach a lesson for the young wit. Is that a droid?
Perhaps you are mistaken, for I am a nindroid and do not cause harm to those who are innocent.
No, you're a droid.
I am a nindroid.
Droid,
A nintroid!
droid.
Oh dear God.
Oh,
Don't worry,
dear
lads.
God.
I'll take care of this droid. I have the high ground.
That seems different than what he originally had.
Well, that was a disaster. Anyway, who's up next? Are you okay, sir? Okay.
What did he just say?
Anyway, do you have any special
I am looking for the heart of David.
Gems.
Huh?
It looks like a little small.
Wow.
Didn't you stab the heart in like the third movie?
Actually, Cole.
Didn't you stab the heart in like the third movie?
It's like a sprite.
Actually, Cole. The scene of stabbing a curtain was filmed in the second movie due to the fact that Willie.
Okay, Jay, we get it.
Is that why you came, or are you extremely drunk?
Wait,
Yes.
something's wrong with the... I don't know why the time thing's being like that. That's really weird.
You got more rum?
Get out.
Get out. Okay, who's up next?
People having Lego movie characters in stop motion. I mean, Ninjago stop motions.
OMG. Hey, baby Jay.
Kill me.
Jay, who is this?
It's, I don't know
What the fuck did you do to her voice, Danny? No.
who that is.
Jay, have you been cheating on me?
Hold up, something must be wrong here. Like, the video is done.
I don't know who that is.
Jay, have you been cheating on me?
Bro, Danny, what are you doing?
No, it's not what it looks like.
Are you sure? Because it looks like your
Unless that's secretly like Pablo or something. My God.
girlfriend came to visit you at auditions.
What? I thought you were dating Scale's wife, Selma.
That's illegal.
Ah,
Actually, you know what? Nia kind of sounds like she kind of sounds like Fred. Ha ha ha. They're all chicks.
really?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not. Mom, Dad, what are you doing here?
Hi, sweetie. We're here to see Jay. Since no one's allowed to come without an appointment, we thought we'd surprise him.
That actually sounds really good, and I hate it because of that.
Why would you surprise him and not me or Kai?
Well, because he's special to us.
Jesus Christ, Jay, what the fuck have you been doing?
My mom?
They were really interested in joining the relationship.
Them?
Hey, don't forget about me.
Hey, that's my boy Pablo.
Ah, that's it. I'm leaving. This place is stupid anyway. Huh?
Jay, how are you not in prison?
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Jesus, on the floor crying.
Oh God, what a day.
Agreed.
Well, my students, I'll be heading to sleep.
Good night, Sensei Wu.
I wonder how Kai's doing.
Wouldn't it be funny if we walked in on him and he was walking as if he had an injury?
Oh, that would be so cliche.
Oh my God, this next part.
I know, right?
The fucking gay ass laugh. Actually, you know, I shouldn't say the word gay. That's offensive. But you know what I mean.
How could you
You whore.
lie to us?
After everything we did for you. Oh.
Oh, Kai, cracked me up.
A little hope.
Damn. Also, something, just in case you guys didn't notice, that laugh with Lloyd at the end was not long enough, so he had to loop that shit like 3 times. Cast: Danny, Puga, Cole, Lego Spree, Jay, Blacker 43, Zane, Blacker 43, Lloyd, Blacker 43, Woo and Nia, Danny, Obi-Wan, my boy John. So that's what we're calling him. Woman. You know, that makes up for not having an intro at the beginning. Oh, this probably is just because of the glitch earlier. So let me reload that first, because I don't like how it's doing that. That's just stupid. Oh. Well, isn't that sweet? It's playing one of Danny's other videos. So yeah, you're just going to see a white space. So, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out Danny's channel in the description below. Give him the love he so very much deserves, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out!